Hi there, thanks for checking out this VIVE education video. In this video, we're going to teach you how to show what you're doing in VR on a TV for others to see. Let's get started.
Whatever you're viewing in VR, you can show it on a TV for others to see. All you need is a Miracast-ready TV or a compatible HDMI dongle. First, press the VIVE button on the phone controller to open the VIVE menu. From the VIVE menu, select Cast and choose your TV from the list. The VR image will then appear on the TV. With VIVE Flow, sharing VR content is that easy.
Hey there, it's me again. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about VIVE Flow or other VIVE products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. I'll see you next time.